What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel, That's Cool Tech. Today I am unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. This is Samsung's first watch with the Pro designation and comes in the 45mm size only. This watch is using the sapphire crystal glass and is made out of titanium for the framing. This is the non-LTE version that I am unboxing here. This model will set you back $449.99 US. Or if you prefer the LTE version, add another $50 to that price tag. The watch comes with 16 gigabytes of internal storage and sports a massive 590 milliamp battery and uses the Samsung One UI 4.5. This is built on top of Google's Wear OS 3.5. The color choices are titanium gray or titanium black. The one you see here is going to be the titanium black model. Out of the box, the watch comes with a sports strap, but if you're like me, I prefer the traditional look, so I would suggest going online and getting yourself a leather strap. You can get some pretty decent ones for anywhere between 50 to 20 bucks off of Amazon. I do have one ordered for myself. I will put the link down below for you. One feature that I could say I will miss with this watch is going to be the rotating bezel. I think that was a big miss for Samsung here. The bezel, in my opinion, is what made these watches stand out. Now, this isn't to say they didn't give you an alternative option. The inside of the watch bezel is a touch bezel, and you can rotate your finger around to scroll up and down. Overall, I do not like this feature, as occasionally as I'm moving my finger to the top of the screen, it does end up opening up the swipe down menu. If you've had a Samsung device in the past, it's pretty straightforward to get it booted up. Press and hold the top right button. The Samsung screen will present itself. A few seconds later, it will then get to the welcome screen. Just go ahead and slide up from the bottom of the screen, and that will get you into the pairing mode. At this point, you're going to need your phone to begin the setup. Open up the Galaxy Wearable app, open up the menu to the top left, and select Add New Device. The phone will begin searching and will quickly find your watch. Simply select the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro from the list and confirm that the number on both screens is the same. Press the check mark on the watch, and the watch will then tell the phone that you have accepted and begin downloading any remaining software needed to prepare the phone and the watch. Once the software hits 100%, it will then move into some more terms that you have to accept, or in this term, you don't have to accept them. I personally turn all these off because I don't want them tracking any diagnostic data or anything like that. So you just go ahead and hit the little circle and then hit the next button. At this point, you just have to accept the terms of service with Google. This is to let them track your location, stay connected to any Wi-Fi signals it gets, things like that. Most people usually have this because they utilize GPS and things like that. So go ahead and select the options you want and hit next. At that point, it will continue through the process and take you to the part where you are selecting your Google account. If you already have your phone set up with your Google account, just go ahead and hit next. Here it's asking you if you want the software to install any applications on your watch for you. I like to keep everything as it is, so I just go ahead and hit skip on that and then hit next. Now the phone is going to finish up setting everything up. Once you have finished going through the setup process, the watch will then begin taking you to the how-to stage of the watch. This is pretty quick. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts, and once you're done, everything will be ready to go and you can begin customizing your watch. Using the watch management software on your phone, you can do quite a bit with this phone. You can change the watch faces, add, remove, reorder the apps on your watch, change notifications, set up your sounds, change your brightness, pretty much control the entire watch from your phone itself. Now you can obviously use the setting menu on the watch itself to control these same functions. I personally find it a lot easier to do it on the phone than doing it on the smaller screen of the watch. Overall, the setup was actually pretty easy to do. I find it very intuitive. I didn't really have any issues finding anything I needed to. Again, if you've used a Samsung watch in the past, then you're pretty much familiar with how to use everything with this software. So that's going to conclude this unboxing and setup video. Please stay tuned and feel free to subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a review of the watch itself after about a week of usage, letting you know of any issues, problems, things I like, things I didn't like about it. Also, feel free to check back. I will be doing a review on the charging station that they sent with this watch as well. It is a duo charger. While it may be a good charging station, I don't think I will be using it as my daily driver because I do have another one that I got off of Amazon, which I will link in the video for that review as well. That charging station does support 3 devices and is a quick charging station as well. But again, stay tuned and I will have more reviews for you. Thank you.